आनीक जेन्ना ही डिबेट चलता हेजेर म्हाका दिसता आमी सगळ्यांनी एक चिंतपाक जाय एज लॉ मेकर्स विल वी सी आ मीट कार 10 वर्सां आदी हे मीट कार आसतलें काय कितें विल वी सी आमचे हे मिटाचे जे ऑगर आहे हे 14 वर्सां आदी आसतले अ डेकेड लेटर दीज आर क्वेश्चन्स दॅट वी शूड ऑल थिंक अबाउट बिकॉज हे गांवठी मिटाचे जे बिजेनूय उल्लेख केलो विरेशानूय उल्लेख केलो की जायते तरे भाशेन हेजे यूज जाता टू बेसिकली डिसइन्फेक्ट वेल्स टू हील अ सोर थ्रोट जावं सारें कशें काजूच्या झाडांक माडांक आंब्यांक हे आमचे ट्रेडिशनल फिशर फोक कम्युनिटी खारवीक भाव आमचे जे हे मीट उजार करता टू एज अ प्रिजर्वेटीव एजंट पूण स्पीकर सर खास करून इफ यू लूक इन द पास्ट हिस्ट्री ऑफ द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा हे ट्रेडिशन वॉज mainly in 4 talukas Tiswadi in Merces, Kurkan, Santan ह्या गावांत a few pockets in Mandre and Pedne that the honorable MLA also spoke primarily I'm coming there primarily in Bardes, in Arpora, Pilen and Nirul these were places where this happened also आमच्या सालसेट तालुकांत तेलावली चिंचोणे देवसा आनी आसोलना हे स्पीकर सर हुंय ना हुंय it was concentrated in these 4 talukas. But आज जरी तर चोयल्यार the state in Bardes taluka with regards to 5-star hotels, with regards to construction, Salsetin, खास करून हे चड जायना because of the unusable due to inundation by sweet water. This is one of the main factors because अनेक आज जे जावं टाटा कॅप्टनाचे जे हे आयोडायज सॉल्ट जे प्लेयर आहे हे चीप इंडस्ट्रियल सॉल्ट आमच्या लोकांक दिता स्पीकर सर मोठो प्रश्न म्हणटाय तो लेबराचो लेबर इश्यू अँड दिस इज अ स्किल्ड लेबर अँड वी वील लूज दिस लेबर इफ वी डोंट टेक प्रॉपर केअर स्पीकर सर आज प्रायर टू लिबरेशना पयलें हे आमचे हे सॉल्ट एक्सपोर्ट जाताले विदीन South East Asia, Africa and Middle East. This was being exported and there are reports that the demand was very high. Very high means 19 million kilo of salt was exported and across Goa we had about 658 salt pens at that particular time. Today in the reply, if we see Jay Bab Vireshan Gatla, I also had put an unstarred question. But 6 months ago, Jay postponed question actually in the month of August. After that, the department has woken up and taken this particular initiative of surveying, and they have showed only 20. He's saying that several places have not been identified. Because amka zoritor ya ribandar te Panje je city bus stand ahle. Few years ago, we could see almost 30. Currently, we can't see anything. Because I believe there are only 2 currently. आणि सिमिलर जे हे सॉल्ट पेनाचो जो प्रोसेस हा इट इज बेसिकली इट्स अ नॅचरल प्रोसेस आणि 3 फेजीने जाता पयलो सीज्ड फेज पड आहा तो जून ते ऑक्टोबरांत ह्या टायमाक दिस इज द सीज्ड फेज दुसरो फेज जो आहा इज द प्रेपरेटरी फेज फ्रॉम डिसेंबर टू जानेवारी ह्या टायमाक इज द मेन वे दे प्रिपेर एवरीथिंग आणि तिसरो फेज बिकॉज जावन आसा फ्रॉम फेब्रुवारी टू जून because this salt pen is part of our unique ecosystem, also part of Goa. And especially it occurs because of several organisms, now bacteria, fungi, algae. And the quality je jenna oloitale that the quality needs to be improved. It depends on the influence of these microbes. These microbes actually have an effect on the quality of the salt produced. Because आज जरी तर चोयल्यार ही इंडस्ट्री डिक्लायन कित्याक जाता जायते सांगता बेसिकली इनकम ह्या इंडस्ट्रीन चड ना दुसरें कॉम्पिटिशन जे दुसरे इंडस्ट्री आहाय फ्रॉम द आयोडायज सॉल्ट आनी वर्सा वरोस जी डॅमेज जाता स्पेशली टू दी एम्बार्कमेंट्स अँड स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ पोल्युशन इज ऑल्सो वन मेजर इश्यू पयले आसतालें गोंयांत बिकॉज दॅट मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल नेवर लिव्ड इन दीज एस्टरी रिजन्स क्लोज टू दी सॉल्ट पेन्स बट टुडे people are living within the vicinity of these thickly populated areas and these salt pans basically experience pollution from these anthropogenic activities. It's because worst म्हणटाय ते जे भाजयो आहाय आनी हे जे कसिनो आहाय जे सरकाराचे सगळे फ्रेंड आहाय हे कसिनो जे ऑयल सोडटा जी गार्बेज सोडटा उदकान जे जे सगळेपण वयता क्रूड ऑयल हेवी मेटल्स एंड दीस इज अ कॉन्सिक्वन्स बिकॉज जे ब्रायन जाता ब्रायन जे सॉल्टाचे जे ब्रायन म्हणटाय ताका ब्रायन जे जाता इट गेट्स कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड विथ दीज मेटल्स एंड दीस इज ऑल्सो नॉट हेल्दी बिकॉज प्रश्न येता की should this rich tradition be taken forward? Should we continue this thing? One thing for sure is if the government does not intervene at the right time now, this definitely will not survive. It's because dusre prashna jo aata is how do we preserve? Honorable Vijay Sardesai suggested that can we put this Mitache je Ogora on the tourist map? Can it be part of our tourist site module? Salt pans also attract an array of bird life. We have about 495 species of birds in Goa, which is 35% of the population found in the entire country across from Goa to Sahyadri. It's because kitko ami ye tradition je amche aha, how do we promote it as a tourism module? Will the government involve the stakeholders, work out a module? ये जे salt pen जाता because if it is carried out properly, pisciculture can also be promoted, aquaculture can also be promoted, and agriculture can also be promoted. Viresh Borkar was speaking about the physiochemical and the biological management of these salt pens. This is what leads to. This can also lead to co-cultivation of algae and shrimps. This is something that the government should look into. Salt pans basically is a good model for studying ecological succession. Je succession organisms je range zada from microbes to avifauna. I believe that the Honorable Chief Minister should put in a committee, look into it. Aaj yanka ye traditional salt pen je ami answer je choila. None have been given any subsidy. No announcements have been made. No financial support. So what does this government have for the salt pen? Maka dista, I feel that this resolution should be accepted unanimously. The government should take necessary actions to revive this age-old practice. It is a tradition, and I hope that the government takes innovative steps. So I support